Hi guys, it's Nay and welcome back to my channel. If you love luxury fashion lifestyle, unboxings, reviews, hauls, and vlogs, you'll find yourself right at home here. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell if you'd like to be alerted when I upload new videos. Today is a quick little birthday unboxing, so let's get right into it. So we're going to start with Chanel. Let's start with this first. We have our two dust bags. Now, I did post these already. I've been talking about these so much, you guys. If you saw my other videos, you'd have an idea of exactly what these are. But so, they are the loafers. Beautiful. I am so obsessed with this color. It's like a dark burgundy. Gorgeous. Okay. Denim hoops. So 25p collection. This is Jimmy Choo. This. Ooh, look at the packaging. Look at the packaging, guys. Jimmy Choo, I Want You perfume. Hermes is next. This is the Hermes hair. This is hair and body dry oil. This is in the scent Un Jardin. Okay, packaging looks like this. It smells so good. So this will be perfect for like summertime or really any season. You just put it all over your body. You spray your hair with it. It smells really good. Okay, next we have Hermes again. You guys know I love twillies. I always have to get a new twilly, whether it be for my bag or just, you know, for me to wear. You guys can say I really love twillies and scarves. They're so versatile. There's so many things you can do with them. So let's take this one out. So pretty. So this is the Forever Twilly. This is from 2019, and basically the Forever Twillies are twillies from, you know, a couple years ago that Hermes did bring back. We have so many cute ones, but I just wanted to get one that was neutral that'll go with my Kelly bag and go with my other bags too. I don't know if you guys can see that it's actually lined with leather on the side. It's different from the other twillies because of the leather. The design starts like this, and then so that's everything I got. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And remember to click the notification bell so that you'll be alerted whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.